Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to resolve the PDF rendering error in overleaf.com. So overleaf.com is one of the best platform for writing synopsis and other stuff. So you might have seen this sort of error, and this sort of error is generated just because of internet download manager. So for example, I just want to recompile this project, so it is rendering me PDF download manager error, you can see here. So I just don't want to download it, and you can see these are the errors. So what could be the cause of this problem? So we have to go to our download manager. From here just click on this option button, and from here click on edit. From edit you need to check this one, don't capture the download from web player automatically. So when you click this one, then the IDM will not download this file automatically, and this error will be not generated. So just click on OK and click on OK, and just go back to your overleaf.com. So now if I compile this project again, so you can see this project is successfully compiled. So that is how you can resolve this problem. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.